welcome. We're doing it. YouTube is live. Where's Wadlow? This is a personal vlog. We got projects. We're gonna do gear review. All sorts of stuff. Adventures, you name it. Follow along. It's gonna be fun. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna link the products used in each video down below. Check it out. So today we're gonna start with Project 555. This is my original firewood saw, my first ever saw I bought. It's a Husqvarna 555. It's one of the earlier versions of the auto tune. It's been a great saw for me. I've had almost zero problems with it. And it's time to do some upgrades. So follow along. It's gonna be fun. Let's do it. So tonight we're gonna start with a wrap kit. OEM Husqvarna. And dogs. West Coast saw 3-point dogs. These are made for the 562 XP, which is a shared platform with the 550 XP, 555, 560 XP, and the 562. All right, so first of all, we're gonna take off bar and chain. We're gonna use the scrunch. Loosen her off. We're gonna back the chain adjuster right out. We're gonna take the cover right off. This is the clutch slash brake cover assembly. Bingo. 5 Series has an outside clutch. I'm bleeding. There we go. Sweet. Bar. We're going to keep the top cover on. We're going to get this handle off. Push some stuff. Alright, got a little chain bite, but we'll live. Anyway, on the starter side is a good spot to start. You have access to the underside of the saw. Just twist this out. Two bolts. They're like a coarse threaded screw. Just bleeding all over the place. First video, real nervous. Alright guys. Should come loose just like that. Alright. Original. this comes off. Just a little deflector piece. So all right. Fits in there. There we go. T25 T handle. Gotta get this lined up with the cylinder. Screw this in to contact. All right. Now we're gonna get this bottom two in. T25 also works with 4mm. 4mm original. Coarse thread screws for the bottom. To contact. All right. Now we're making headway. All right, to contact, and then we're gonna give it a little twist. Contact, make sure it's nice and snug. Contact, and snug. Go back to our T25 here on the cylinder. Contact and snug. All right. We're missing a little guy here. I'll find it here in a sec. All right. So the extra screw that fits into here comes with the kit. Don't forget, it's stapled to the bag. So here we go. T4 again, or sorry, T4. 4mm Allen. It's coarse thread into plastic, so it's a bit snug. So up to contact. All right, there we go. Wrap handle is installed. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Move it down the line. Get the blood off my top cover. Shit. All right. Okay. Wrap handle is installed. We're going to remove the original dog that came on the saw. And we'll compare it to the 3-point West Coast saw dogs. I mean, see if we can line this up. Almost no comparison at all. Here we go. Now we're going to move on to the clutch cover. So the 555 and the 550 clutch cover is a little bit different than the 560 XP. Or 560 XP and the 562, whereas the holes for the outside dogs are not drilled. But there is a location inside, I'm not sure you can see it, where the nuts go. All you have to do is drill out the cover. That's easily fixable. So let's drill some holes and get the outside dogs mounted up. Let's do it. So we're going to remove the adjuster cover. I'm not sure if that's the correct nomenclature, but we're going to take this out. Because the mount location is hidden in behind here. So that just comes off. Easy peasy. Let's see if we can get you zoomed in here. Alright. I don't know if you can see it. The light is not that great. But there's a spot, an inset spot for a hex nut on both sides of the chain adjuster. So we're just going to go ahead and drill those out. The cover is magnesium, so it drills pretty fast. Just take it easy. Bingo. Okay, hole number 2. Alright, we're going to change, we're just going to bore out the hole a little bit. Bingo. We're going to use air to clear the debris, and the light is terrible. I'm just going to deburr this. It doesn't need much. Just drag your deburring tool around the edge. It's not too bad. And if you don't have a deburring tool, you can easily do this with a larger drill bit, which I got out. The drill bit might attack the paint a little bit. That's okay. There we go. Alright guys, so we're gonna adjust this so you can see. Alright, you can probably see I got a 3/4 wrap on. Alright, I got this untangled. Get this up over the clutch. On the tip of the bar. Oh, scrunch. There we go. So there's phase one of 555. We'll do a little walk around. There we go, guys. 3/4 wrap. I got as many gray pieces as I could find dyed black. So the hand guard or brake handle, 3/4 handle, the grips, this bottom plastic piece, the anti-vibe mount, the clutch cover parts, so that's the brake adjuster cover and the actual brake spring cover. The throttle group, so the hand grip, the safety, and the trigger. I got the buckles. All three buckles are originally orange. I got the starter handle, the flip caps, flip caps are dyed black, and now we have inside and outside dogs, the 555. So we'll talk about that for a sec. Okay guys, so it's been a while since I started this. It's supposed to be my first video, but finally came to the end of part one of the 555 project. So I was originally going to do the West Coast Saws 3-point dogs, and I couldn't get the 562 XP clutch cover to work with the chain adjuster. The chain adjuster little guy that goes into the bar is offset on the 562 XP, and that's to adjust for the large mount, the bigger bars. So I came to the conclusion that on this small mount saw, with the 20-inch bar max, putting the large 3-point dogs wasn't worth it. Let's see. Yeah, putting the 3-point dogs on wasn't worth it because you'd lose a good 2 inches of bar. And when you got 20 inches of bar max, that hits hard. So small adjustment and plan. These look pretty good too. They're pretty stout. So those should work plenty fine for cutting firewood. I think the black turned out really good. You can let me know in the comments what you think. If it's worth it or not, if I'm just being fussy. Dwayne at work called me fussy. There's a market for that, for fussy guys, he says. But I'm pretty happy with that. Hopefully I can get some video of this cutting some wood. Check it out. See you later, guys.